Dahil sa pump na ito, nakapag-create tayo ng vacuum. Ang laki nitong vacuum na to. Ang sarap nito. It's usually, yung vacuum, fini-fill in yung space na yan. This is also a vacuum. Makikita nyo, di ba? Binabalikan po yan. Not exactly kung ano yung bottom niya, but somewhere on this area, pwedeng bumalik yan. Pwedeng i-retest yan 31,890 or yung 32K, the previous breakout point. Depende sa magiging reaction ng price. Okay? Based sa price action, pwedeng tumalbog ng malakas. So ngayon, hindi mo alam eh. Hindi pa siya bumabalik dun eh. Kaya pa ba natin tumulak pataas? Let's see ah. Ito yung next. 48 to. Area na to. 48 is the next target. But I don't think, I could be wrong, but I don't think tatamaan natin to. Even this year. Ito, magandang abangan. Ito yung bullish scenario ah. This is the bullish case scenario ng Bitcoin price. Pag tinignan nyo po ito to the left, ang daming trades dito eh. Tumatambay talaga yung price dyan sa area na yan. This is around 31.5 to 47.5 or 48,000. So there is a possibility na tambayan din natin yan ulit bago natin i-break. Kumbaga, ito yung magiging next range natin similar to this. So there's a possibility na yan yung range. Dito tayo mag-dribble somewhere above that, below that, hanggang bago mag-halvening. That's an option sa mga tumutulak ng presyo ng Bitcoin. Pwede dyan nila tayo i-consolidate. Or this is totally a fake rally. October lang ito. This is just because ito ay October. Look at this ah. Up na po tayo ng I think more than 10% na to. 27% na. Okay? October. And next month, we're going to go back below 30. November. Why? Because based on history, for the past 2 years lang, mga months, ito, November to, red candle tayo, down ng 16%. And this one, November 2021, down tayo ng 7%. So, October is green. At tinatawag nila October. Okay? Tapos, correction ng November. Right? So, let's see kung yan yung gagawin. So, sa ngayon, just observe kung saan tayo dadalhin itong price. Mag-iingat sa mga pag-o-open ng position. It's okay kung merong setup kayong makikita. Pero kung trip nyo lang, mukhang bababa na, o mukhang magpapump pa, mag-ingat. Kasi ito yung run ng Bitcoin price na prone yung liquidation sa taas nung inakyat nito. So, mag-iingat po kayo, lalo na kung magte-trade kayo based on your kutub lang at wala po kayong makikita setup. Yan! Follow for more Tito Boobs!